Hey, it's going to go through yesterday's Forex signals sent into Discord down here. Let's just start from the bottom, Euro Yen. The idea was up here, set a bullish momentum sync alert, 15-minute time frame. So I was looking for the pullback. What we got a buy signal directly after I posted it, well, midway through the London session actually. And then we had an exit signal there that's telling you that we should see a pullback. I'm always suggesting to take 50 or 60% off the table at 1 hour. So that was London. That New York gave us quite a nice outcome. So this was after the New York Open and the initial balance. This is the initial balance, which we set for 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Okay, the equities markets kick off at 9:30. Generally, there's a lot of capital injected into the markets around that time. So everything was stacking up with the VWAP. You can see 4 of these lines here trending up nicely. Okay, so that was the Euro Yen. The other one was Aussie CAD. Similar to, okay, we're just looking for a momentum sync alert. So that was the idea. Looking for a bullish momentum sync alert. And then the outcome, no signal, no trade. It's as easy as that, guys. So that one, we'll let that one go. Then we had a Aussie Yen was quite a good one. Okay, here, look. Set the alerts described in the video above. All right, I mean, I like the 5-minute, but you could go for a 15, set a momentum sync and bullish alert. So that was the idea, set up a momentum. So all you've got to do is just set the alert, and the Aussie Yen was a really nice outcome. So that was the idea back here. You set the alert, it goes off, you take the trade at the alert, okay, stop under. You've got these green dots you can go with, and you've got, we'll have a look at it on TradingView, Aussie Yen. So again, I suggest you take partial profits off at 1 hour, and this cross is coming from this trend channel indicator. Right, it's telling you that we should see it pull back. So you can take partial profits. There's another signal there. This signal comes off the same indicator. So yeah, that was only a small pullback. But generally, when you see these dots and crosses, there should be some kind of pullback. Everything was trending up. We had the signals. And of course, if you want to, you can add to your position. The New York signals were short-lived. Yeah, it was a weird session last night through New York. I mean, look, yeah, this range-bound price action, but this, when you see price action like this is gearing up for a breakout. So get ready for an opportunity, possibly today. Aussie Yen. All right, guys. So that was yesterday's trade ideas in Discord. I had a whole bunch of them going to Telegram. I had quite a few yesterday. I was pretty busy with this. The thing with these signals, these are okay for automatic copying, like TS Copier or my trade copy. You can take these manually if you like. I mean, yeah, they worked out really well last night. What I did with these last night was, these are all correlated, and I decided to open a whole bunch of them and then close them early. And I'll just show you what I did. I mean, Aussie Yen, CAD Yen. I actually closed all of this. There was a basket of trades, and I closed them just as we were heading into the US session. I just had this feeling I mean, the basket of trades were in profit, so I just took them out, basically. The whole lot. Shut down the whole basket, and it was a good call because some of these, yeah, that one I closed slightly in profit. This was another one I closed up in here, slightly in profit, and yeah, look what happened. CAD Yen, we had a Euro CAD. And I closed that one just into the New York session. I opened up back in here. Just closed it in here slightly in profit. So that was a good call. Euro Yen was open. I closed that one as well. Just into the New York Open, I closed my trade. Euro dollar. Yeah, I mean, every one of them was in the money, I think. Well, we could actually have a look in Telegram. They'll tell us. But I closed everything all around here. And then look what happened through New York. Same thing with the pound yen. That one was slightly negative, I think, just after the New York Open, so I knocked that one on the head. Just a whole basket of trades, shut everything down. So the idea with this is most of these are closely correlated, and if you open 5 or 6 trades, some are going to perform more than others, better than others. For example, I think it was, well, that one, the Aussie Yen, the Euro Yen was good as well. And then these other ones didn't perform. So the ones that do perform, you get to cancel out any losers or close to break-even trades. So that was the strategy behind that. So those ones I closed last night. 19 pips, 12 pips, 9 pips, 6 pips. So yeah, they were all pretty good. 2 pips, okay. 1.9 pips. Yeah, that was them. So they were all in profit. Then you can see the variation, 1.9 pips versus 19. Anyway, we're going to be looking for some opportunities today, definitely, and I'm really trying to nail some of these A+ setups if we can. Now, all you have to do with these signals is just copy exactly, do exactly, as I lay it out in here. Just set a momentum sync alert. Here it is, look. Set the alert. When it goes off, take the trade. Stop on the dots. TP, 60% off at 1 hour. Trail the rest. That's all you got to do. Really easy. And, okay, now just to cover this, I took these 3 trades today. And I'm going to show you why. These went into Telegram. So we got 5.5 pips, 5 pips, and 3 pips out of it. Just open them with very small position sizes. But here's why I took these trades and why they're so successful. Okay, Asian session open, this line, and we got the breakout. This is called a VWAP cluster break. Nice outcome. Closed it here on these signals here, telling me that we might see a pullback. The other one, Euro CAD, same thing. Look, this is what I call an A+ setup. It passes the test. You've got a blue and a purple line. You've got these 2 dashed lines. Market opens. We get a combination of VM and VA. So you got a VM, which is a volume profile cluster, and the VA is the volume aligned VWAP cluster. These 2 together are really powerful. So that was my Euro CAD trade. That dot was my exit. And then Euro dollar. This was heading down, so a little bit tricky. Anyway, why I took the trade? Asia open, VA. This was the volume aligned VWAP cluster breakout. Now the Asian session was pretty ordinary until just now. But what I decided to do was close the cluster of trades. Did the same thing yesterday. Opened a cluster of trades, or a basket of trades. Anyway, guys, you can have access to this and make a difference on my website. Join VIP, anthonyfx.com. Try it for 7 days. And what a lot of people are doing is they're covering this, and this is billed after 7 days, so you got a full 7 days free. Make that in your first couple of days, and you're into it. You're ahead. Now, if you like the idea of the gold bot, it's only an extra $10 a month, and you get all of this plus more. Okay, gold bot. Scroll down. It's been very successful historically. There's the options. Okay, we can connect your NT4 or NT5 to this account. Now, the discount details are on here. Take this opportunity and make a difference. Okay, with that, have a great day. See you in the next one.